Okay, so Lauren, we're going to play a little game with all of the things we have in the tray here. So let's take a look at what we have. We have some rice, beads, some nails on this end, a bell, and then some glass stones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you turn away from me. I'll put something in the bucket, and then I'll have you shake it up real good, and then tell me what you think is in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it these?
Very good. Let's try another one. Okay.
That sounds like the rice.
That's correct. And let's try one more. Okay.
Are those the nails?
That's great. Very good.
Thanks.